To this video. In this video, I'm going to make a stock analysis of Eightco holdings and why they jumped 3008% here on Monday. Now, as you can see right here, if I go down, as you can see right here, they sold 185 million shares to raise about $270 million for the company. And the interesting thing about this is the shares are being sold at a price of $1.46. So each of these 185 million shares were sold at 1.46 cents. But during closing, as you can see right here, they closed at 45.08, which is absolutely insane. So as you can see also up here, the company was a $4.4 million company before this. It is now has a value of $8.5 billion, which is absolutely crazy. You might be wondering, well, why has that happened? That's because they bought a lot of WorldCoin, which is something that Sam Altman and OpenAI has made, and it jumped 46%. So overall, people think that it's a great idea to get into Eightco at the moment because they bought so much WorldCoin. I, however, don't like it, and the reason for that is because if we go into the overview of this stock, as you can see, before this stock sell-off, the market cap was 4.4 million, and it was $31 million, which is absolutely crazy. Of course, the company is now worth 8.5 billion if the stock price keeps what it's at now. But to be honest, it wouldn't surprise me if it fell down quite far, because it wouldn't surprise me if a lot of investors would be taking out some of their profits. So let's say this falls quite far back down again, then we might see a huge problem because they have so much debt compared to their market cap, which is just absolutely horrid. And then if we go down here and look at the earnings as well, as you can see right here, well, it really isn't that impressive. As you can see, last year they made 708k, which is just absolutely horrid. I mean, just look at how much the revenue made. Inventory management system and corrugated. I mean, just look at this. It is so fucking bad. Then we have Europe and North America. I mean, to be honest, it just isn't that great of a company. And this is just a bit of a pump and dump scheme, in my opinion. So to be honest, I wouldn't buy this at all. I mean, just look at this. It is absolutely horrid. Now, I have to make each candle a minute to see the proper price action. So let's say this is what happened after the stock sale, and then see currently. But before that, as you can see, it was trading all the way down here in a 1 and 1, 2. So I mean, overall, it is just a horrid company. But if I make each candle an hour, as you can see right here, we also see something interesting back here in the August. It had a 5-to-1 reverse stock split. I mean, if you had 5 shares, you would then only get 1. And this was because they wanted to stay on the stock exchange. I mean, just look at this graph. It was absolutely just blowing up. I mean, it has an RSI of 100. I have never seen that before. It is absolutely crazy. So, personally, would I invest in this? No, I would not. I mean, the technicals of this, however, look, I mean, strong buy, and for the month it is still a strong buy because, of course, it rose 30,000%. But then again, I mean, look at the seasonals. As you can see right here, we have 3 years with absolute horrid gains, and then this 1 year where they're up by 2,154%. It wouldn't surprise me if they fell right back down. I wouldn't invest in this at all. I think it's way too speculative, and I just think people shouldn't invest in companies like this whose sole purpose is to buy some form of crypto. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and of course, I will keep you updated on Eightco Holdings and their shenanigans. And remember, this isn't financial advice; this is pure entertainment and educational purposes.